Guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the window switch buttons. This is something which saves you a lot of time. Instead of buying a whole switch, you just replace it just a button. So I'm going to use this. This is an art class. I'm just going to like pop out the button. You just look for something sharp, then you put on side, then it just pops out. It just jumps out right straight out. So what you do is you make sure you don't break it. You just tap it just gently. So guys, it saves you a lot of time. Like instead of just getting a window switch, removing the door panel, doing all the work just to get out the switch, you can just replace the buttons, and then saves you time, saves you money, saves you everything. Like if you just have, like if your window regulator works and you just need only a button, you can just go to a junkyard or you just get a donor car and then just get it out. And then make sure when you're putting it back to the new car, please just pay attention. You have to place it gently so that it locks well, because it took me several times before I got it right. So let me try this. It's not really sitting well, so I have to take this one out and have to place it to sit well. So I have to get it out again. I have to just pop it out. So make sure guys, when you're popping out, just press gently on the back of it. It will just jump right out, and make sure it doesn't just disappear. Make sure it's going to be in a good place. So what I'm gonna do is just try to place it, everything to get in the right place in the right time, just like that. Slowly just lock it gently, just like that. Yeah, it's all in. Yeah guys, it's all in. So you make sure just to have like to practice a few times, and then you shall get it right. So don't worry about it guys. Just once it gets it sits really nice, and then just matches with the rest. So you can see the button is seated well, and I can just lower the window using it. Just that easy. Okay guys, I hope this video helps you out.